Your dog may see you as part of its pack. Some dogs run toward their owners when unsure. Confident dogs often explore on their own. Positive interactions create strong...
Today, I have brought a brand new niche for all of you. The best part is that this niche was created using a 100% free AI tool, and it falls into the psychology and self-improvement category. What's even more exciting is that in this video, I will teach you complete editing from start to finish. Just take a look at these videos, they look absolutely amazing, right? So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to YouTube and search for a channel called Mindful Pause. Take a look at this channel. It currently has around 8,000 subscribers, and the most surprising thing is that it has uploaded only 7 videos. That is absolutely incredible. And here's the exciting part. This channel has already been monetized. Now let's look at the performance of this channel. Around 3 months ago, the creator uploaded a video that received approximately 2.7 million views. Another video uploaded during the same period gained more than 400,000 views. In fact, the creator only uploads around 2 videos per month, but almost every single video has gone viral. Even a video uploaded just 9 days ago is performing extremely well. So if you want to create long-form videos like these, you're in the right place. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to show you the entire process step by step. Alright viewers, I already have a master prompt prepared, and you will find it in the video description. This master prompt includes everything you need, including ideas, scene structures, character descriptions, and all the essential details required to generate a complete story. The great thing is that you can customize this master prompt however you like. If you want a longer story or different characters, you can simply use ChatGPT to modify the prompt according to your preferences. All you need to do is copy the master prompt. Once you've copied it, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat. And just boom. Oh my god, viewers. After pasting the master prompt, ChatGPT automatically generated all the scenes for me. You can see that it created scene 1 with an image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover. Then scene 2 with an image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover. Then scene 3, scene 4, and so on. As you can see, ChatGPT generated every single scene in a perfectly organized format. It created a total of 9 scenes, and all 9 scenes are highly engaging, detailed, and professionally structured. For image generation, open Flow AI, because this tool is also completely free to use. Once you're inside Flow AI, select the Nano Banana model. After that, copy the image prompt from your first scene and paste it into the prompt box. Next, click on the Generate button. For the aspect ratio, choose the one that fits your project. Since I am creating a long-form YouTube video, I selected the 16:9 aspect ratio. Now let's wait a few moments. And just boom, my first image is ready. Take a look at the result. You can clearly see the main characters, the dog and the young boy. These 2 characters are the foundation of the entire story, and they will remain consistent throughout all the scenes. The image quality looks fantastic, and the character design is clean, professional, and visually appealing. Now let's move on to the second image. I'll simply copy the second image prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. After waiting for a few seconds, boom. The second image is also ready. Take a look at the result. The characters remain consistent, which is extremely important when creating storytelling videos. Alright viewers, now what you need to do is continue the same process for all the remaining scenes. Simply copy each scene one by one, paste the prompt, and generate the images. After waiting for a few moments, and just boom. Viewers, all of my images are now completely ready. Take a look at the results. Everything looks extremely clean and professional. The character consistency is perfect throughout every single image. Since this is a psychology niche, emotions and relationships play a very important role in the storytelling process. Now that all of our images are ready, let's move on to the next important step. First, let's talk about the voiceover. For the voiceover, simply open a text-to-speech A8 website. After creating an account and logging in, you'll receive around 2,000 free credits, which are more than enough to get started. Now, all you need to do is copy your voiceover script and paste it into the text box. After that, select the voice named Alex and click on the Create Speech button. Within a few moments, the AI will generate a professional voiceover for your story. Again, viewers, I'm reminding you that you can generate your own voiceover script using ChatGPT according to your story requirements. Once your voiceover is generated, Simply click the download button and save the audio file to your computer. For editing, simply open CapCut. Inside CapCut, import all of the images that you generated earlier and place them on the timeline. After importing all the images, arrange them in the correct order according to your story. Now, viewers, let's talk about adding motion effects. Select your first image. After selecting the image, go to the Transform section where you'll find the keyframe option. First, place a keyframe at the beginning of the image clip. Next, move the playhead to the point where the voiceover for that scene ends. For example, if your voiceover lasts for 3 or 4 seconds, move the playhead to that exact position. Now use the scale option and slightly zoom in on the image. As soon as you adjust the scale, CapCut will automatically create another keyframe at that position. If you play the clip now, you'll notice a smooth zoom motion effect applied to the image. This simple animation instantly makes the scene feel more dynamic and professional. Once you've completed the first image, trim the extra portion if necessary and move on to the second image. Again, select the second image. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Move to the point where the voiceover ends. Use the scale option to zoom in slightly. CapCut will automatically create the ending keyframe, and now your second image also has a smooth motion effect. Repeat the exact same process for the third, fourth, fifth, and all remaining images. Simply add a starting keyframe, move to the ending point, zoom using the scale option, and CapCut will automatically generate the motion animation for you. This is honestly one of the easiest ways to create professional-looking motion effects in storytelling videos. Just follow along with me step by step, and you'll have no problem creating the same result. Now let's move on to transitions. Transitions help make the video even more engaging and improve the flow between scenes. To add transitions, simply click between 2 images on the timeline. Then go to the Transitions section. Inside the search bar, type Fade. The fade transition is one of the best options for storytelling and psychology videos because it creates a smooth and cinematic scene change. Select the fade transition and apply it. Now repeat the process for every scene transition throughout the entire video. Apply the fade transition between all images one by one. Once you've finished, watch the preview. You'll notice that before each new scene begins, there is a smooth fade effect that creates a much more professional viewing experience. This small detail can significantly improve audience retention and make your content feel higher quality. Now let's talk about captions. If you have the CapCut Pro version, you can use the Auto Captions feature to automatically generate subtitles. However, if you don't have the Pro version, that's completely fine. You can manually type captions and place them wherever you want in the video. Simple white captions work perfectly well, and you can even customize them by adding different colors, fonts, and styles to match your branding. Alright viewers, at this point our entire video is almost complete. We've generated the images, we've created the voiceover, we've added motion effects, we've applied transitions, we've inserted captions. Everything is now fully prepared. The final step is exporting the video. Simply click the export button and choose your preferred resolution and quality settings. After the export is complete, your professional psychology story video will be ready to upload to YouTube. Now take a look at the final result. Everything looks clean, smooth, professional, and highly engaging. The motion effects, transitions, storytelling, and visuals all work together perfectly. And that's exactly how you can create a monetizable psychology niche YouTube channel using completely free AI tools and simple CapCut editing techniques. Alright viewers, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, idea, and free AI tools. Take care, and goodbye.